This is a quick fix on my dad's. He's got a 1997 Ford F150, and I don't know what year models it'll work on. I know it'll go probably up to 2003, probably at least 97, 93, something like that. I think they're all made pretty much the same. But anyway, this rear door here, anyway, it wasn't shutting. You could pull on the handle. Well, I got it working now, but it wouldn't open. And I had that issue with my truck. I had an F-150 for years, and I had to fix both of mine. What I did with mine, I can't remember exactly because it's been so long and I was trying to look it up, but I never could find it. That's why I'm making this video. But they got these cables. Maybe you can see that cable that's going up. You see two lines going up. One of them is the shadow and one of them is the actual cable. What happens, got a clip on it and they break. They're plastic, you'll see in there. And it loses its tension on this. It goes all the way up to there. Now I'm not a mechanic, and I'm just basically doing this so in case I have to run in this again, I can find it real easy. What I've done, I've seen several places. I got a little hole right here. You reach in there and find that cable and tie your tie wrap around that cable. You don't want to just do it super tight because you don't want it to, you don't want this latch up here to always stay open. It just needs some tension on it so to pull that latch down when you go to do this. I'm going to put 2 ties on it, and maybe it'll hold up better. Let me take you real quick to what I've done. Alright, basically it just had this little protective thing over it, and you'll want to make sure you put that back. I'm not real sure what all it does, but I'm sure it does something. So you're going to take that back. Then you got the bottom cover. You'll see it's got these little things on it right here. They go right here. You just stick that in there. Put it on there and it just pushes down. And you don't have to push hard. So I can get you straightened out. You got a screw here, a screw there, just Phillips head. Just want to put those back. And it's also got a nut. You see up in there? You ought to be able to see it when you get it apart. That's a 10 millimeter. Some of them have a little push clip right there, but most of the time they just break off, so it's no big deal. Next thing you're going to do is put the top part on. And it basically just kind of snaps in. It's got some clips. Right there it's got some guides. Little holes right there is a guide, and there's where the clips go there. And you got them just around there. So just push that on there. Alright, once you got that on, it's kind of dark in here, but once you get that on, then the only thing left is to take your little window thing, and it's just got 2 screws, Phillips head screws, and they go right in there. You just, when you're taking it apart, you just take them out and move this out the way. And then to get this off, it's, like I said, it's got them clips in it. So, I mean, you're going to have to pull on it pretty good to get it out, but it'll come out. And then once you get the top off, then you get your 2 screws, your Phillips head screws, and your 10 millimeter nut, take them off. lift your bottom panel off, peel back the protective thing, the plastic, so you can get to your thing, and then all you got to do is tie wrap your cable and put a little tension on it there, and you should be good to go. And it's fixed for the price of a couple of tie wraps, just a few minutes of time. I hope it wasn't too confusing, but if nothing else, I'll have it for future references in case I have to do it again. Thank you all for watching. God bless you. Bye.